This parasite doesn't steal nutrients from its host like the others. It replaces a body part. It enters through the gills, climbs up to the mouth, and kills the tongue at the root. Then it takes the tongue's place. This is Cymothoa exigua, and it's real. Cymothoa exigua is not a worm. It's not a virus either. It's a crustacean, a relative of the pillbug in your garden. It grows up to 3 centimeters. And it has a single mission: find a fish, get inside, and take control. A male, drifting in the current, searching for a host. The parasite enters through the gills and slowly makes its way toward the mouth, to where things are about to get worse. It sinks its hooked legs into the muscle tissue of the tongue. It latches onto the artery that feeds it and drinks all the blood. Once the blood flow is cut off, the tongue dies. Cymothoa doesn't let go. It stays clamped to the remains of the dead tongue and becomes the fish's new tongue. Here's the strangest part. The fish doesn't die. It keeps eating and swimming. The parasite took the place of the tongue it destroyed, and just like a real tongue, it grips the food, grinds it. The only known case of a parasite functionally replacing an organ. If this fascinates you and unsettles you, you're in the right place. On this channel, there's no room for fairy tales. We cover the real monsters of the microbial world. Subscribe, so the next one finds you too. But capturing one tongue isn't enough for the parasite. It has other plans. Cymothoa is born male. If there's already a female on the tongue, the male stays and mates with her. But what if the tongue is empty? The male undergoes a transformation. It becomes female. It takes the tongue, and the cycle begins again. A parasite that can change its sex to seize a body. So ask yourself, can the fish still taste the food it eats? Does it know that the control is in someone else's hands? We don't know, and that's the part that stays stuck in your mind. Cymothoa exigua. Not a monster from a science fiction film. It's real. A creature that's been swimming right beside us all along. If this video sent chills down your spine, you know what to do. Subscribe and tell me in the comments, could you survive with a tongue you couldn't control?